video recording, so it will be useful. Okay, so
Yes, sir,
as
I'm
you all
started
know,
the
we are conducting. Yeah,
yes, sir, I'm started the introduction about me.
sure, sure. Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir, my camera is
Yeah,
visible, sir. My video is visible, sir.
yeah, yes, it's visible. Yeah. Please continue.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning to all of you. First of all, I am saying heartfully thanks to ISA Academy and coordinators. I am Adina Rande. I am studying MCA final year in Vikramasinghe University in Nellore, but I am staying in Hyderabad. Now I am saying to ISA Academy, this platform is very useful to me. Why means now I am developer. I want to become a developer, web developer. So I choose this way. So my friend recommended to me. So that's why I joined this last month. So I learn HTML, CSS. I know a little bit information. When I joined the ISA Academy UI and UX, it is useful to me. Why means every day I spend at least 2 hours. Last time I spent only half an hour or 30 minutes exactly. I spent at that HTML CS. But today I am using frankly 2 hours minimum 2 hours I practice. So like every day I complete my task. So this about course actually lots of course available in HISA Academy like Java, spoken English, communication, and UI and UX placements also. So placements also everyone use. It is best for us. Why means um, we want to become a job profile, right? So that's why we are using. So definitely I will use and I will become a developer. So that is I am frankly I believe myself. So thanks to HISA Academy and trainers. So actually I don't know who are coordinators, but I am saying heartfully thanks to Srikanth sir and Sakshi sir. By means they are providing lots of time to us. So these things.
Sure,
Thank you so much to
sure.
everyone. Definitely I will use and I utilize every opportunity. Definitely I will become a developer. That is my dream. So my dream is Django developer. So that's why Django developer is useful to like front end and back end and database. So front end is most important like HTML, CS and JavaScript and Bootstrap also. So it is a free of cost providing HISA Academy. So that's why I'm using every day. So practice is most important. Sir already every day tell practice is most important. So if you practice regularly, it is useful or it is useful for us. That's it, my friends. So if you want to become anything, any type of job, practice is most important to us. That is guys, that is friends, that is sir. So I am saying heartfully thanks to uh, HISA Academy team and Gandhi sir. I mean, sorry, I don't know. Akapudi Gandhi sir garu. I don't know exactly name, but I think so.
Sure.
Thank you so much to and team who are spending lots of time to us. Thank you. I'm saying heartfully thanks to you and your coordinators. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for your feedback, Narayana.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, very good. So, yeah, who is going to be next?